Do you want to lose some weight? Do you want to lose that belly fat? Do you have clothes you want to wear to a party and you don't know how to reduce that weight? I have a solution. Within 2-3 days, you will lose that belly fat, you will drop some weight. So I have the solution. These are the ingredients we are going to be using: lemon and ginger, garlic, kale, and mint leaf. I just cut the mint leaf from this, so all the vegetables are fresh. We are going to use this is cilantro, so we're going to slice it and put it in the you can use blender, you can use food processor, you can use, when you use blender, you just blend it, then put it in the cheesecloth, seal it. But if you're using food processor, it's easy. Or if you're using food processor, it's easy for you to do. Like this food processor is just going to process it and bring the juice, as I don't need to sieve it. But if you are using blender, you have to blend it, seal it, with a cheesecloth or with a strainer. So let's get into it.